This vlog is about the places you can visit if you happen to be around Semarang, Central Java in Indonesia. I made a visit to Sam Poo Kong temple, which is a Chinese temple in Semarang, and also visited two theme parks. This is a story about the famous Admiral Zheng He's journey he made through Southeast Asia, Southern Asia and Africa before Christopher Columbus's discovery of the Americas. Zheng He expedition ship made an emergency stop in Central Java in 1416 when ship captain Wang Hong was seriously ill. Zhang found a cave in a rocky hill where the captain could rest, and a small temple was built there for praying. This was the beginning of the Sam Poo Kong temple complex. This is a beautiful stone carving made by a Balinese artist that depicts Zheng He's expedition stories in the 15th century, which were captured during a period of 30 years. I could have flew my drone at Sam Poo Kong temple, but didn't. However, I wanted to fly my drone at Dusun Semilir, which is in the middle of nowhere, but I had to pay 300,000 Indonesian rupees for the privilege, so I decided against it. When you go inside this place, you feel like you're in a giant bird cage. Some of the artwork is unique, like the superhero sculpture. There is a huge souvenir shop where you can buy all types of things, and there are plenty of food stalls to choose from. Also visit Ngrembel Asri, which is a great place to practice your fishing skills if you're a beginner, or jump inside a giant beach ball.